There's another piece that's crucial for understanding why we keep attracting wrong people. And it's about the meaning we assign to things. When you assign excessive value, either too high or too low, to something, you create an energetic imbalance. And reality always works to restore balance. The problem is, it doesn't restore it the way you want. Let me give you an example. There was a period when I was so desperate to find a partner. I had all this meaning attached to it. If I found the right person, then I'd finally be happy. Then I'd be complete. Then my life would really start. Then I could prove to myself that I was doing okay. Then I wouldn't feel so lonely. That's massive overvalue. I had inflated the idea of a relationship to the point where it meant everything: my happiness, my completeness, my worth, my validation, my cure for loneliness. Guess what happened? The harder I tried, the worse it got. I either attracted no one, or I attracted people who seemed perfect initially and then revealed themselves to be completely wrong for me. Every first date felt like a job interview where I was failing. Every promising connection fizzled out. The universe was literally pushing it away from me to restore balance. But here is where it gets tricky when attracting the wrong people. Sometimes reality doesn't push the things away. Sometimes it gives you a distorted version of it. When I finally did attract someone during that desperate period, it was a disaster because I had so much meaning attached to having someone. I was willing to overlook massive red flags. I was broadcasting, "I need someone, anyone, please." And I got someone, not the right someone, just someone. The excessive value I placed on not being alone was so high that it overrode every other criteria. My broadcast was not, "I want a healthy, compatible partner." It was, "I need not to be single right now." And reality delivered exactly what I was asking for.